Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here, and this time we're demonstrating an AM-FM-8 track out of a 77 Pontiac Lemans Sport. This comes from Rich in, looks like, Cuyahoga Falls, Ohio. Rich has requested the modern internal conversion, and so we're here to make sure it all works before we send her back. I'm going to turn it on to AM. I've got it set to the one strong AM station I get in my area, so let's turn it on.
Palm Springs, the tropical climate.
Okay, now one thing I need to mention here is this particular radio, the way it was wired, there was no right front speaker, and the left front and left rear were connected together. So that's the same way I did it here. Chances are the customer adjusted his balance using the front rear fader. That's not possible on the conversion just because of the way this is not an appropriate fader for this. So instead we have a virtual left-right balance control, and I'll demonstrate how to do that. Now when you see your speaker outputs, you're not going to see a right front speaker registering because there is no right front speaker terminal connected on this radio originally, and the customer wanted to maintain as much originality as possible. So that's what we did. So let's go ahead and check our virtual left-right balance control.
If you want to know the difference,
let's see, here's our meters.
Take an irrigation flag or
as you can see, there's no right front.
Stick, something where you can mark that plant.
Okay, let's
activate
our virtual left-right balance control.
And the ones that come
balance adjust.
Okay, so
the ones
all the way front,
never seem to come back
all the way
from
rear,
those were annual.
front,
that can happen with grasses. It can be
I'm gonna center
flowering
them.
Plants, shrubs. So
balance
adjust. Okay, that was pretty much easy enough there. Okay, let's move over to FM, and I have all 5 preset sets of stations in my area for a quick test. Okay, we don't need this stuff anymore. Okay, let's try the 8-track.
Make my life a fantasy. You don't know what you do. Down, 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 right do. And it's only 'cause she's alone and free. It's my little girl.
Okay, at the end of a song there.
All she did was look for someone to love.
And the end of a song there too. So we're probably coming up on an automatic track change. Nope.
The moon is Alice. You don't know her like a night for love. If you're feeling
Okay, hit the eject button lightly. Tape comes out, radio comes back, and as you can see, the dial light comes on when you turn on the radio, so there is no separate dial light wire for this radio. So that takes care of that. That was a pretty quick test because there's no virtual front rear fader to adjust or anything like that, so that takes care of that. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please read the website, the entire homepage, and if you download and print a work order, that has all my options, prices, including options for turn times. It'll save us a lot of time on the phone, but if you do need to call me, you're welcome to. My number is 928-533-9666. Do not call me to ask me how to fix your unit or to ask me how much your unit is worth. Call me only if you have a unit you intend to send me for service. Thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Rich, for your business all the way from Ohio, and we'll see you guys next time.